Hello everyone, today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of technical SEO, a critical component of modern web development and digital marketing. Technical SEO is the backbone that supports your content and ensures it reaches the audience it deserves. We will start by exploring website crawling and indexing, where we will learn how search engines like Google discover and store information from your website. Crawling is the process by which search engines discover updated content on the web, such as new sites or pages, changing to existing sites or dead links. To do this, they use programs called crawlers or spiders that follow links from one page to another and index the content found. Indexing is when these crawlers process and store the information they find in a big database called the index. When someone searches, the search engine uses this index to provide the most relevant results. Next, we will get into structured data implementation, where we will understand how to communicate with search engine in their language, helping them showcase our content in the best possible way. Structured data is a standardized format for providing information about a page and classifying the page content. Structured data help crawler understand the content of the page and provide rich results, like a rich snippet with star rating for a recipe in search results. Moving on, we will tackle mobile friendliness and core web vitals as most users today browse the internet on their phone. We will learn how to ensure our websites are not just accessible but also provide a seamless experience on smaller screens. Mobile friendliness is about making sure your site works well on mobile devices. Core Web Vitals are a set of specific factors that Google considers important in a web page's overall user experience. They are made up of three specific page speed and user interaction measurements: largest content full paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. We will also cover robot.txt and sitemap optimization, the directives that guide search engine through our website, ensuring they understand what to look at and what to ignore. Robot.txt and sitemap optimization. Robot.txt file tells crawler which pages or files the crawler can or can't request from your site. This is used mainly to avoid overloading your site with requests. It is not a mechanism for keeping a web page out of Google. Sitemap optimization. Sitemaps are files where you provide information about the pages, videos, and other files on your site and the relationship between them. Search engines like Google read these files to more intelligently crawl your site. Lastly, we will address common technical SEO crawl errors. We will learn to identify and fix the roadblock that can prevent search engines from accessing and displaying our content correctly. These are issues that crawlers might encounter on your site, like 404 error, page not found, server error, site is down or overloaded, redirect error, and blocked by robot.txt error. Identifying and fixing these errors can help ensure that search engines can crawl and index your site effectively. As we bring today's session to a close, thank you for your attention and engagement. It's been a pleasure teaching you all, and I look forward to teaching how you will implement these strategies to enhance your website and your user experiences. Keep exploring, keep optimizing, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions as you put today's lesson into practice. Until next time, keep coding and keep creating.